Welcome back to another vlog, another nasty vlog. Forgot what I usually say too, but what's up?
Damn, you've been taking too many breaks.
Hell yeah, it's been like what, a week? No, it's been like 2 weeks since I vlogged last time. Only because it's been raining and we've been working hella. But you want to tell them what we're gonna do today?
We're gonna be stopping by the junkyard. So if you're from San Diego and you drive a 240, you know how rare it is to find one in a junkyard. And I'm on Craigslist, you know. Shout out to Scooby the Suvi. He sent me that a guy's selling a turbo kit for a KA. So I started looking at it and I couldn't find this. So I'm scrolling on Craigslist, and right at the bottom there's a post from a day ago that there's 2 S14s at the junkyard right here, right a freeway exit away from Fernando's house. And I'm gonna go rip some parts off of it that I need. So I'm gonna call them right now and see if no one bought the car or anything.
And I'm gonna go get some seatbelts for the 240.
Yeah. That's just kind of whack how they charge that.
Hell yeah. Alright, so we just left the junkyard. Show them what you got.
Alright, so I got my coolant reservoir. Mine is cracked, so yeah, we don't have a single video of my car smoking, but it does it. But it's nothing serious. It just means that like my coolant's running low. That's how I know, you know, 240 life. I know my coolant's low when my coolant reservoir starts shooting smoke out, but it's nothing bad. Like, people stare at me driving with smoke coming out. And I finally got my seatbelt back, so I don't gotta buckle my seatbelt on the passenger side. But there was a dash for an S14 that had 1 crack in it, and I was thinking about it, but then I remember that I need to get my registration for my car this month, well, my new tags, and I need a smog and everything, so I don't got money for the dash right now.
Yeah, the cool thing was they didn't charge us a cover fee. We couldn't get no footage because they didn't allow cameras, and I mean technically they didn't really allow us to go back there, but we went back there anyways. Ew, what the fuck?
This is Jane.
Well, if you're in the San Diego area and you need a slightly less cracked dash, they're selling it for $100 at Advanced Auto Wrecking. It's actually, dude, the crack's like,
It's
this big.
Really minor.
Look. There's a sausage right there. You're hella nasty.
Get away. Get back!
Hey.
I need room right here. Oh, there you go. Now that's better.
Bruh, you still have this?
Yeah.
We made this on Valentine's birthday.
It's for sale, $250 right now. I asked for 300, but
Not knowing what the fuck we're doing. Oh, and I burned myself. Right here.
Ew.
Herpes.
You got herpes way. We got some pizza while we wait for Val to do his seatbelt.
Pizza.
Look, isn't this the most fucked up shit you've ever seen? Only the mind of a sick man would have this in his car. Even though I put it up here. Still. Any Always Sunny fans out there, comment below. This is my favorite show. Out.
Read the words you wrote. Hello, fellow American. This, you should vote me. I need power. Good. Thank you.
Look at this shit.
Dun, 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 dun. 10 mil.
Still got it. Hey, find you a man that keeps his 10 mils around. Boo sticker. Remember when this shit was all red? Now it's white.
Boom. Extendo.
Extendo clip.
It's a 10. Extendo on extendo clip.
Damn.
That's long as fuck.
That's what she said.
Same.
That's how mine is.
Ooh, that's hella deep in there. A ver.
That's what she said too. Woo!
Oh.
Alright, so I know in the last vlog we said we weren't gonna vlog until Friday, which was supposed to be race legal, which was like 2 Fridays ago or last Friday, but it rained on that Friday, so race legal got canceled. So it's on March 1st this time. No, March 2nd. March 1st or March 2nd? Which one? First. March 1st. So stay tuned for that one because it's gonna be the last one ever, like ever. So it's gonna be lit. Hey, don't ever hit him up for a seat install, cause
yeah, I got a seatbelt though. Okay. You can hit me up for a seatbelt install, but oh look, your car parts.
damn, why you playing with me, dude?
Oh wait, they're gonna get you in a year. My fault.
In a month. Y'all saw that? You get this side out, you gotta pop this side out first.
Uh-huh.
And then you pop it out.
Yeah.
But it's because I'm holding the camera.
Uh-huh.
So I can't do it.
Yeah, sure. Bugging. See, even like this is hella hard to get out.
Ay, perro!
Dude, that's disgusting.
Let me see.
Look in there. It's fucking black water with like...
Ew! Dude, there's shit growing in there.
Ugh.
Look, before, here. Oh yeah, let's get... Can y'all see in there? That shit's gross. For everyone that thinks that Morty the 240 is clean as fuck, nah.
It's not. I admit it to people.
Stupid. I got you, brother. Ah, no, it's not gonna go back on, dude. You got the wrong size.
Maybe because of the clip? Holding it?
No, I already put it on.
You didn't put it on.
I didn't not put it on. Come on.
I hope I put that in right.
Looks good enough to me.
That's good.
Damn.
That's just hella hard.
Stop.
Dang.
Oh, who got a hole?
Not I. I should probably go buy some more coolant then. I have a half bottle.
That should be enough.
I'm heading out. Pizza.
Real ass homie. About to give me half his pizza.
I mean, you could take more.
Nah. I'm good.
Because I'm probably just going to throw it there and no one's going to warm it up till like nighttime.
I don't know microwave either though.
Cold pizza's better.
True. Alright, we'll catch you guys. We'll catch you guys on March 1st for race legal. For sure this time. It better not fucking rain, I'll be hella mad. Alright, what should I do?
Like, comment, what's VP? Okay. Like, comment, subscribe, and what should be the common question this time? Go, you gotta come up with one.
Me?
Yeah.
Alright, oh, since we have pizza, what's your favorite pizza topping? No. Some more controversial. Should pizza have pineapples on it?
Yes.
Hell yeah.
That's his mom.
Alright, catch you guys next time. Stay nasty. Alright, we're gonna add this real quick. But we're gonna be doing a... Get in the frame.
You get in the frame.
Alright, real quick. We're gonna be doing a sticker giveaway for one of our Naasty Krew stickers. So... We're gonna do 2 of them, 2 stickers. The first one is gonna be one at Race Legal. First person to come find us at Race Legal, and that's all this video obviously. We're gonna give you guys a sticker. The second one is gonna be one on our Instagram page or YouTube page. We're gonna figure that one out later though.
We'll try to record whoever actually gets the sticker.
Yeah.
We'll make sure it's not family, none of that, like not my brother, no one. Like it can't be someone who already has one. So if you don't have one, come find us and we'll try to put you in the vlog and you'll get a sticker.
Yeah, and then the YouTube and Instagram one, we'll figure that one out later and we'll post it up. But alright, cool.